This week we're in a typical boy's bedroom, and Joe has a solution to the problem that the boy's having with his bed.
Well, it's a problem not only with bunk beds, but with any bed that's supported by wooden slats. In fact, if you give me a hand lifting this up, I'll show you what the problem is.
Oh, okay.
These slats go from rail to rail, and they support the mattress or the box spring. But the problem is they slide around, and you can see these are been knocked out of position from the kids jumping up and down in the bed, or even just daily use of hopping in and out knocks them out of position. And if they're not evenly spaced, they won't properly support the mattress.
Couldn't you just drill through and put a screw in each one of them to hold them in place?
You could. I mean, in this case, we're going through a metal rail, and so that requires a bit of work to drill through and then to screw up from the bottom. If you don't have the exact right length screw, it can poke through. You could do that, but it's a lot of work, and I have a much simpler solution. Hold that up for me. I'll show you what it is.
Oh, rubber band.
A simple rubber band. You want to get a nice fat one like this, and all you need to do is wrap it around the end of the wooden slat and check the underside, and if it's twisted at all, you want to straighten it out because you don't want any twists in it, so you want it to lay nice and flat.
Okay.
All right, and then you put it back in there, and you put one on each end, obviously, and you'll notice how easily this slides because you have nice smooth wood on hard metal, but with just a little bit of rubber on there, and then when you put this back down, the weight of the mattress and, of course, the child sleeping on there will keep those from sliding out of position.
Another problem solved.